Let's check out how Box AI, powered by OpenAI's GPT 5.1, improves the way you analyze and extract insights from complex documents. Here we have a hub of financial materials, all in different formats, from PDFs and spreadsheets to long reports. Now, many of these files include complex tables or multi-page summaries, and these are exactly the kinds of documents where GPT 5.1 brings its biggest improvements, especially in tabular accuracy and multi-field extraction. Now, let's switch over to the new AI experience powered by GPT 5.1. We'll click on Box AI over here, with GPT 5.1 pre-selected at the top as our model. Next, we're going to paste in a question you might ask when reconciling portfolio data. Compare the Treasuries amount in the summary Excel against the sum of face values in the financial statement PDF's expiring positions. Do they match? Let's hit submit. GPT 5.1 extracts structured data from both documents, even if the PDF isn't perfectly formatted, and compares the values. With the model's stronger accuracy on complex tables and multi-field extractions, Box AI can highlight discrepancies that would normally require manual review. Let's take it one step further with a second question that blends information across reports. Based on the performance analysis PDF, what is the expected annual blended return of the equities and bonds segments? And which state listed has the lowest effective income tax rate? We'll hit submit. GPT 5.1 reviews the relevant sections, identifies the numbers, and follows instructions more reliably to give us a clear, natural response. Thanks to GPT 5.1's improved conversationality and accuracy, you get cleaner results with less back and forth refinement. GPT 5.1 brings meaningful improvements to Box AI, faster responses, higher accuracy on structured extractions, and a more intuitive conversational experience. For teams working across financial statements, portfolio summaries, or planning documents, it means quicker answers and greater confidence in the results. GPT 5.1 is available now in Box AI Studio. Come check it out.